Hello, this is the Tradesight Stocks and Futures preview for Tuesday, the 17th of April, 2018. Hoping to get a trading day on Monday. It wasn't that exciting, but we had good futures this morning, and we'll go from there. Here's a look at the ES front month futures contract. This is the daily chart of the broad market in futures form. Crept up a bit. Wasn't that exciting. We're still sitting about where we've been for a while. Maybe a little higher. We're away from that TriStar level we've been watching. Let's go through the major indices, then we'll look at the intraday action and go from there. Crude oil gains 23 cents to 66.45. Gold down $1.90, but still holding that cup and handle formation. The S&P cash index up 21.54 after the 13 buy signal. NDX up 46.84. SOX up 3. Here's what's interesting. The biotechs down 20.6. The VIX loses 85 cents to 16.56, back down to new lowest for the last month. The trend at 0.95 puts the 10-day moving average, because we lost that 2.5 plus number at still 1.05. When that 3.0 number drops off, that'll make a big difference there. Nasdaq volume was only 1.8 billion shares, not even quite that. That's horrible. Advanced decline ratio on the Nasdaq plus 194. That means 194 more stocks up than down, even though we were up 46 on the Nasdaq. That's not that impressive. On the New York, it's plus 1326. Google gains 10 points, but still sitting where it's been for a while. Apple up $1.09, no big deal. Netflix down 387. Amazon plus 1071. Tesla down 9.31 or 13. Sorry. TLT, the 20-year bond ETF, up only 4 cents. Doesn't really matter. Goldman Sachs up $1.96. Here's a look at the intraday action. We'll go to 5-minute candles on this, and you can see that it wasn't that exciting of a day. We gapped up. We were dead flat for hours. We popped up over lunch, dead flat after that, came back. Really didn't do anything except leave a gap. All right. So what does that mean for the rest, for Tuesday at least? And I may miss a market preview this week. I have a personal situation going on. I may have to travel. But we have building permits and housing starts. We're entering earnings season. There's a lot of earnings coming out in the next couple of days. That's an hour before the bell on the building permits and housing starts. Capacity utilization, industrial production at 9:15, and we go from there. In case I don't do a preview for the next day, we've got crude oil inventories an hour in, and then beige book, and that's it. Charts, as usual, brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple of weeks. Have a great trading Tuesday.